How's it, guys? How's it from a rainy Atlanta Wednesday? Anyway, today's tip is actually from my friend Doc over at DR650 Adventures. I'll link his channel in the description. And I'd actually been looking for one of these for a while. It's enlarge the footprint of your side stand. I'm here in the southeast and I'm in the forest a lot. And like I said, we have quite a bit of rain, so often areas that I'm in, the ground's pretty soft to that. So I've been looking for something that'll help my side stand. Anyway, you get them on Amazon, guys. Really inexpensive. It's all metal. Comes with an Allen key. Just release the bolts, slide it on, put the plate on top, throw in some thread lock. Good to go. Anyway, thanks for that suggestion, Doc, and that's why I wanted to share it out there with everybody that follows me as well. So let's throw it on. We'll check out looks. Good to go. Cheers. All right, just undo the bolts. Just like that. Actually comes with a adhesive tab, I guess, to quiet things down, prevent any type of rattling noise. Just gonna throw that on there, just like that. Slots in perfectly. I have a 2020 DR650. Plate goes over like so. I'm gonna take one bolt just to hold it in place for right now while I throw in some thread lock, or maybe two. Just to hold it in place. And add on the trusty thread lock. Tighten them down. And voila. There you have it, guys. Broadening the footprint of your side stand. Doc, that was a great suggestion. I appreciate it. Hope others find this useful. I'll put the link to this product in the description for all those with I believe a 2022 and below 650. I heard a rumor that for the 23s, they've changed the side stand slightly. So don't 100% quote me on that, but that's what I saw. So I think this product is good for 2022 and below. Definitely 20 and below. Kind of odd that they would change the design of the lower foot of the side stand. Anyway, guys, that's it. Cheers. And there you have it, guys. That considerably increases the footprint of the stock side stand. Again, thanks, Doc. Great suggestion.